この配信はご覧のスーパーチャットの提供でお送りしました。ありがとう。
Uh-oh, the whole forest is gonna burn up. Uh-oh, so am I.
Why does this happen, Fauna?
It's not my fault this time.
How? How is it not your fault this time?
The lava, I didn't put the lava here. I don't even have a bucket.
And now the trees are burning.
Oh my god, what did you do?
It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
I can't even count how many times this has happened.
Why are you such an arsonist?
No, I didn't. It's not me.
Yeah, it is.
No.
It's totally you. Oh my god. You're
This just
killing
happened.
you're killing your saplings?
No, no. It's not me.
No! What do you mean? I didn't do anything!
Why are you so violent? What's wrong with you? Why are you tearing this family apart?
I'm just trying to put it
Everything's going wrong! I wanna go home!
I'm scared.
I don't wanna be here anymore!
I'm scared. There's an arsonist among us.
Actually, no, there's not.
That was a creeper. Oh, nice. Free log.